Ta-na-na-na-na-na-na.
Hello, good morning. Today I entrevista Esteba Mata, who works in Mina from Zurich. Hello, Esteba.
Hello.
How many years have you been working in the mine?
I started working at the mine 20 years. I worked 32 years.
Mine has changed since you started.
I also have brought new mechanisms and new machines.
Where in the mine work?
The office and the pit too.
How much per month?
2018 euros a month.
I have had an accident or have been an accident in the mine.
A friend got hooked on the conveyor belt.
How many people working in the mine when you started?
4 people now.
I like working in a mill.
Yes, but it's very hard work.
Good morning, Esteba.
Na-na-na-na-na-na-na.